So guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my cooking. Yung nagawa na ko ng sauce guys sa aking spaghetti guys. Without meat po guys, tomato and tomato paste lang po guys. At saka basilic. Ayan po aking pasta ng spaghetti. Ayan. Ayan po. Tomato lang guys.